Hi, I'm Bryce Tucker, and I've been leading a team at PSP Liquids to build a new 2,500 pound force liquid rocket engine test cell. We have 4 days left in crowdfunding, and in the last couple of days, we wanted to share some of our favorite experiences on the team.
Hey, I'm Sashir Mahavadi, and I'm responsible for the thrust structure and force measurement system of the Condor test cell.
Hi, my name is Olivia Purdy, and I'm responsible for the system that gets the propellants from the tank to the engine.
It's definitely been presenting at the design reviews and seeing our designs come one step closer to actually being a reality.
When the managing director of Zugro Labs bought us pizza after our design review went really well and everybody was so happy and excited and just relieved.
The first day doing work in the cell, it was really awesome to finally be able to get out there and get hands-on with everything.
It's definitely been designing the system that measures our engine thrust force. It's intended to design and integrate a lot of small, delicate components, each with their own use case, all together into one structure.
I would have to say watching the sunsets after a successful rocket test.
I would say the opportunity to just tear down a cell and build it from the ground up, see how all the systems really work together has been a huge learning opportunity for me. That's been something I've really enjoyed.